Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and it's time for another tool of the day. I just purchased this 3-quart all-clad stainless steel saucepan and I wanted to show it to you, and I'm going to open it up here. And what it is a 5-ply, so this is the D5. All-Clad makes a D3 and a D5. So the D3 is a 3-ply and the D5 is 5-ply. And I'll show you on the back of that what that looks like here in just a minute on the box. So this has made in the United States. If you're looking for that type of thing, it says bonding, engineered, and assembled in the United States. It is the D5 stainless all-clad saucepan, and here on the front it's got the model number of what it is here on the top. All right, so now that I've got this turned over, this is the D5 stainless 3-quart saucepan with lid, and it is oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, safe for gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. Wash with warm water, dish detergent, and a sponge. It's talking about the limited lifetime warranty on that, which is really nice. The durability, it says here, constructed of premium metal for a lifetime of beauty and performance. It's got flared edges for accurate dip-free pouring. The professional stainless steel handle features a contour bolster for improved grip. And the handcrafted stainless steel handles or rivets are permanently secured to the pan. That's really nice. Some of the pans you get might be tack welded to the side, but these have the rivets in them, so that does come with this brand here. And we've got the 5-ply bonding, and that is the one layer. It's got 1810 stainless steel interior. The next layer is aluminum. Next layer is stainless steel. Next layer is aluminum, and the 5th layer is induction stainless steel exterior. So let's open this up now and see what we've got. So it comes wrapped in this packaging that it's got here. And this is a polished outside finish on this, which is really nice. And the bottom just says All-Clad Metal Crafters D5 stainless steel 3-quart, bonded, engineered, and assembled in the United States. It's got the All-Clad emblem on the back. And these are our rivets here that I was talking about earlier, where it's riveted on the inside and on the outside for that security to hold those handles on. And we've got the same thing here on the back, and we've got the All-Clad emblem on the back. Now let's take this piece of paper off here, talk about this handle. This handle's nice because it's rounded on the bottom, and you can put your thumb on the top of it for that extra security to be able to hold and to pour. So they've engineered it that way, so they've got this here for your finger to rest in, so you can do that. I'll wait here in just a second to see what it is. So it does have the handle assist here on the side, so it will help you if you're trying to pour something out of it. If you've got hot food and things in there, you definitely want that security of that. I really do like this extra wide grip here, so if you've got oven mitts on or you've got pot holders that you've got in your hand, you've got that little bit of extra room there to allow you to be able to hold on to that, which is really nice. Some of the ones that I saw before I bought this one, the assist handle here was a lot smaller and it was harder to get a hold of, so I really like this wider grip that's on that right there. Now let's see what else we've got in the box here. We've got the lid here. I'll take that out. So the lid is metal as well on the top, and it has the rivets here on the top to hold the handle in place. As you can see, it goes into the lid. We put that on the top, and that gives that a nice finish on the top. Looks like it is evenly spaced around. I don't see any gaps in that, so that is very good quality on that. So now let's see what else we've got in the box here. Just has a warranty card here that you can register it with for that. So that is all that's in the box. We've got some good packing in there. And let's take this and get some measurements on it and see what we have. So I've got my scales here, and I measure it in pounds and ounces first. I'm going to first measure it without the lid on it and see what that weighs. So it's 3 pounds, 9.75 ounces. And then I'll put the lid on it and we'll see what it weighs with that as well. So with the lid, it's 4 pounds, 8.9 ounces. So almost a full pound on that. I'll get the measurement on that as well. So we've got that for your reference there. So it's 15.20 ounces. So it's just an ounce short of being a full pound on that, which is really nice weight on that. And let's get some measurements with our measuring tape here. So from the handle tip to the assist handles here, I'll measure that, and that's showing 19.25 inches. And I'll put the metric conversions in the description box below so you can have that. I'll take the top off here And let's measure the lid width on that. That's showing right at 9 inches on that. And I'm assuming if that's 9 inches at the top of this, it's going to be about the same. So that is about 8 5/8 on that. So just a little bit shorter. Let's see. Does it hang over the side? It does hang over the side just a little bit. So maybe 1/8 of an inch on both sides of that. So it does have a little bit of an overhang on that. I can feel that where that is. Now we'll measure the bottom here and see the bottom, what we've got here. It does have a nice curve on the side of it. So just eyeballing that, we're at 8 1/4 inches on that. So those are the measurements of this All-Clad D5, and I'll be using that on my channel here, and we'll be giving it some tests and see how it's going to do. And if you've got one of these, I'd love to hear from you, how you like yours, and if this is your first time looking at one of these, and this might help you make your decision, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And like I say, we'll be using this on the channel, and we'll be giving it further reviews and further tests. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I'll be doing some more appliances and some more tools and things that I've got, different type of equipment. We'll put that on the channel. So if you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, maybe you might want to check out one of these other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this D5 stainless steel saucepan. And I'll put the link in the description box below where I got it and how much I paid for it. It was on sale when I got it. So definitely, if it's something you're interested in and you're watching this video at the time of this recording on that, you might find it on sale as well. So definitely check it out, and I'll put that link in the description box below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.